Want me to deal with it, right?
No, I don't.
Dude, no.
Okay, dude.
I dealt with it.
Okay, yeah, I see that a lot, dude. Holy fuck, dude.
And what the where'd you get these?
We're eating. I want to eat some fucking. We're game night. I'm fucking eating chips.
Here, you want some game night, motherfucker? There's your game night. Fuck you.
Alright, whatever. Fuck it, dude. Dude, I guess you should probably go, dude.
Yeah, he needs to get the fuck out of here.
What?
This shit's because of him. Starting that shit. Look at him.